Hi, in this video, we'll explore the question, what is the internet? To recap, all data stored in computers is made of zeros and ones. So let's say you record an awesome music video. This video is saved in your computer in tens of thousands of zeros and ones. You're really proud of your new hit song, and you want to share this awesome music video with your friends. You decide that uploading your video to YouTube is a great way to share your music video. So how does your music video get from your computer to YouTube to your friends' phones? Data travels from device to device through the power of the internet. The purpose of the internet is to share information. So what exactly is the internet? Let's start with the most basic way to share information between computers, a network. A network is two or more computers or devices that are connected together to share resources and information. Networks enable computers to communicate and collaborate with each other. A local area network, or LAN, is a network of interconnected devices that are in the same geographic location, such as a school or office. Let's say that you like to play games online with your friends. At your house, you have a local area network that might connect a laptop, a phone, and your gaming console. Your friends also have LANs, each with multiple connected devices. In order to play collaboratively online, you need to connect your networks. This creates a WAN, or a wide area network. A wide area network connects multiple LANs and covers a larger geographic area. We can expand on this to get a full picture of the internet. There are tons of LANs, smaller networks for schools, coffee shops, homes, offices, medical buildings, etc. When we connect each local area network, we create a wide area network. And in fact, that is exactly what the internet is. The internet is nothing more than a network of networks. By connecting networks together, a computer in one network is able to send a message to a computer in another network. This network could be across the neighborhood, across the county, or even across the world. The message travels through the network until it reaches its final destination. That computer can then send a message back through the network. You might be wondering, how does data know where to go so that it doesn't end up on the wrong device? And isn't there a ton of data being sent over the internet every second? How does this not cause traffic jams? And isn't the internet growing with new devices being connected every single day? If so, how do these devices get integrated into the networks? And what are these magical orange connections, or these mysterious teal circles? All of these are great questions, so let's dive in.